In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flipbook style animation in Canva. Open Canva in your browser and sign in so you're ready to build. We'll start by creating the canvas for your animation. Click Create a Design and choose Presentation with the 1920 by 1080 size for a clean, widescreen look. If you prefer a different dimension, pick Custom Size and enter what you need. But 1920 by 1080 is a reliable HD option for most uses. Next, bring in the visuals you'll animate. Head to the Uploads tab and click Upload Files to add your photos or drawings from your computer. High-quality images will make your animation look crisp, and if you're using cutout objects, PNGs with transparent backgrounds keep things clean. Now, create your first frame. Drag your image or object onto the canvas and position it where you want the motion to begin. You can resize by dragging the corners and rotate if needed. Just make sure the subject sits comfortably within the frame so nothing gets cropped unintentionally. Think of this as your starting pose. To build the animation, right-click on the page and choose Duplicate Page. On this new page, slightly move the object in the direction you want it to travel. Small movements are the secret to smooth motion. Tiny nudges work better than big jumps. If you want a gentle glide, move it just a little each time. If you're aiming for a quicker effect, make the shifts a bit larger. Repeat this process. Duplicate the page again, move the object a tiny bit, and continue. Each page acts like a frame in a flipbook. And the more frames you create, the smoother the animation will appear. Aim for consistency in the distance and direction of your movements, so the motion feels natural. Once you've built several frames, select all the pages so you can control the pacing. Click Timing in the top toolbar and set each page to play for around 0.2 to 0.5 seconds. Shorter times make the animation snappier. Slightly longer times make it more relaxed. You can always experiment here to match the feel you're after. Click Play to preview your flipbook animation. Watch for any jumps or uneven movement, and if something feels off, adjust the frame positions or tweak the timing until it flows smoothly. When you're happy with the result, click Share, choose Download, and select MP4 video. Canva will export your frames into a single, seamless clip you can post, share, or repurpose anywhere. And that's your flipbook-style animation, created entirely in Canva.